Shalom. Welcome to our Patreon meditation, Shema Israel, the great unification of God and the Jewish people and the entire creation. But first, before we begin the meditation on Shema Israel, we must repair previous opportunities when we did not perform the unification. And so we begin at the bottom of God's holy name. Meaning we begin at the end of God's holy name and we unify His name upward to its source. So we begin physically by becoming comfortable, by finding that place where we can be undisturbed, at peace, and release the world from around us, to enter that inner sanctum that is only for us and God. Outside this inner sanctum, nothing else has permission to enter your place of true meditation. No thoughts, no worries, no desires. The only thing in this place is the desire to do God's will and become one with His name. We breathe easily through our noses. We exhale all tension, all worry, all concerns. Our only intention is to fulfill God's command from the Torah of saying Shema Israel each day, and to have intention that we receive upon ourselves, we accept upon ourselves the yoke of His kingship. And along with these two ideas, performing the mitzvah from the Torah of unifying God's name, we are also receiving upon ourselves the yoke, which is receiving the power of being directed, of allowing ourselves to be directed by God, just as an animal wears the yoke of his master. And the third idea that we contemplate is the idea that God is Hashem, that God is God. It is not an imagination, it is not a creation in the mind of man. That God is more real, more present than anything else. He is more present than we are, even as we speak. Yet He is hidden. For His reasons, He hides Himself. With these three kavanot, these intentions, these pointings of the mind, directing the mind, like a periscope at sea, rising from the submarine to look above the physical world. We direct our mind with these ideas. But now we long to repair, and we begin our repair, breathing deeply and seeing in the mind's eye the letter Hey, the great letter Hey, as big as a building, and we are small looking upon this great letter Hey. Now, the letter could be black, or it could be white. This letter Hey is the receptacle of all the letters above it, and of the receptacle of the letters below it. Since we missed Kriyat Shema before, we long to elevate that. And of course, we begin with the letter Yud, which is going to unify with the Hey as one. So in the mind's eye, the letter Yud rises into the chamber of the Hey, and they become one. Yud Hey. And this union, the Yud inside the Hey, now rises up and joins with the letter Vav and Hey. So we have spelled God's name from bottom to top. Each letter like a floor in a building, rising up to the level above it, and each unifying till all four letters, Yud and Hey, are unified with Vav and Hey, and they become an essential unity, four letters in one. See them this way in your mind's eye. Breathe the letters. Your life gives the letters life, and the letters give you life in return. And by this way we elevate the Mayim Nukvim, the feminine waters, the waters of desire for God in man. And those desires in man spring free the desire of God for man, to release the power of heaven and earth. And so now with our new union of Yud inside the Hey, inside the Vav Hey above it, we repair all the times where we didn't say Shema and we could have, whether we were forced to or not. And by doing so, we come to the great Shema. In our mind's eye, we see Shin, Mem, Ayin. Three powers of God unified to create the concept hearing and understanding. And this word has the power to release in us its power of hearing and understanding. In this power of understanding, we direct to Yisrael, Yud, Shin, Resh, Aleph, Lamed, that we are Yisrael, who is commanded to hear and understand. To hear and understand what? That Adonai, Yud, Hey, and Vav, Hey, Aleph, Dalet, Nun, and Yud, all 8 of those letters, the Creator and Master, Eloheinu is our God, given to us, and we need no other. We never needed another, and we will never need another. He is our God, Israel. And this God, Adonai, The second name of God mentioned in this verse is Echad. He is one. One at every level of oneness. In the sands of the sea, the stars of heaven, to the angels of the throne, all are bound in a universal oneness. This is our God, Israel. And now we can release all those powers by repeating the name, repeating the verses. Shema Israel Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. And I can repeat that verse over and over and over, allowing it to reverberate in my bones, in my heart, in my head. It is a string of vibrations that reach to the roots of creation. It is not merely a collection of letters or words. It is a lock releasing the power. Shema Israel Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. Each time we say the verse, we sink deeper into the words, into your mind, as if you are leaping into space, into the letters, like a diver leaping into a pool. Leap into Shema Israel Adonai Echad. Each repetition slower, deeper, more private, more intimate, more reverberating through me and into the world. You are the tuning fork of the world. And Shema Israel tunes you to the Creator. Shema Israel. Allow the letters to pull you in, to not let you go, as though your face is being dragged into those words, that field of singular energy, life force. Until we feel we cannot leave our meditation. We cannot leave these infinite words. hearts, completely attached, willing to die here for God, willing to end this journey in God's name, literally, to give our life back to Him as He gave it to us. So we have said, so if we have learned, so it shall be.